Alright guys, what's up? So today, well right now we're going to a go-karting place. It's 3 levels. Yeah, so it's 3 levels. We're not sure how long the actual ride is gonna be, but we're heading there now, and then after that, we're not really sure what we're gonna do. We don't know if it's gonna rain because today is supposed to be kind of like cruddy weather, so we're not really sure what we're gonna do after that. We might go to some museums and stuff, like a wax museum and different stuff like that, or if not, we might go down to the lazy river or take a walk on the beach or something like that. We're not really positive yet. It's due to what the weather is gonna be like.
Okay, I wanted to show you guys these tracks because look at how crazy this is. I'm excited. Why? My sister's nervous because it's so high, but I think it's gonna be fun. Usually when we go go-kart racing, it's like one little wind, one little loop, yeah, so I'm really excited to do these, and the go-karts look pretty cool. I've never seen go-karts like that. Those are like real ones. Over and find the governor. Oh yeah. Alright, we're trying this other one out. I guess it's more windy than high. The other one was like bigger, but this one's more windy. Everybody left me!
Deal or no deal?
Yeah, we can play that. Here, 4 tokens. I get nervous playing this game because it's like if you make the wrong choice. Okay, so our case either has 250 or 7.
Take the 128 or go for the...
I know, that's a lot of tickets. Oh my god, what do we do? 3 seconds! 2! No deal. Oh my god, we just gave up 128 tickets for 7 possibly. It's gonna be 250. It's gonna be 250. Oh my god.
Of course we would have that luck.
Of course. We just gave up 128 tickets. It was between 128 and 7, and we said no deal.
The claw machine is definitely the best thing for tickets.
Oh yeah, the claw machine is definitely the best for tickets. Yeah, she got like 400 and something. Kevin got like 500, right? 400. No, just on these rolls. Yeah, that's the best.
Deal or no deal, deluxe.
Yeah, you got another one. 2. Another one.
Yeah, 2 more.
2 more in that one? I thought 1 fell off. You guys, I forgot to bring you with us. We went to go get fireworks and food, but I was so upset that I forgot the camera because I wanted to bring you guys with us into the fireworks store, but at least you'll get to watch them. So yeah, we got a couple bags of fireworks, and then we got pizza.
Mom, can you put that in the vlog?
I didn't hear what you said. We're going to shoot some fireworks off.
No, we're not.
Legally. Why are you holding your blanket like that?
Huh?
Why are you holding your blanket like that?
Like what?
Like,
Snuggling.
yeah.
Prisoners on the elevator with two of us.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess we're gonna go set up everything. Oh, you guys, I brought my light since it's gonna be dark out. We got like a light on top of our, oh, my foot just got wet. Wow, there's a lot of people on the beach. I didn't think there was gonna be anybody out here. Wait, we need the closest route to the place.
Arrest me first. No one's getting arrested. It's not illegal.
It is on this beach.
Who says who?
The sign says no fireworks and no alcohol.
What sign?
The one right when you...
We didn't see any signs. Ask for forgiveness, nothing from
That's the best life lesson I've learned from Ryan.
That's what I'm so sorry. I know. Oh, God, I'm so sorry. I didn't do this.
There's our hotel, or our condo. It's all lit up.
I'm gonna put them on the chairs on top of the chairs.
it to a fire. Yeah.
So we're just getting some, you know, fruit juice. Here they give you your fruit juice in a bucket. You know, it's just like a pineapple, mango, cherry fruit juice. Okay, watch out, Lily.
Watch this thing.
What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do? Nothing. You gotta light it again. Look at this cool firework.
Awesome.
It's a dud.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah, you're definitely lighting the wrong side or something because nothing's happening. That's probably this. Yeah, there's no wick or anything on that side. It's just burning out. Light the other side.
Well, they're made in.
Just a couple mornings.
You would think it would tell you which side to light it out of. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so it was the other side the whole time. Okay, not towards me. Oh, it was?
There's just no wick in the paper that I was ripping off.
Yeah, let Lily hold it. Those are crazy sparklers.
How far does it go down?
I don't know, probably not all the way down to your hand.
Oh my god. I have.
You have seen a sparkler that big? Those are bright. Oh, don't want to walk that way. All right, Lily, hold it straight out like this. Don't hold it like forward, but yeah, like how Mallory was just doing. Yeah, just like that. And don't for anything, they instantly go off, so just watch out because there's people right here. That's why we should have gone right down to the water. Hold it up in the air more. Ah, I just missed the other one. Oh, here goes the next one. Let me turn the light on. Oh no, we don't need it. All right, Brian's doing a big one.
I had a big one.
Here he goes. Here goes our first firework. Alright, here comes the next one. He should watch out. I was like, he should watch out. Look at, they're in all the condos too.
Got a couple tickets.
I know. All right, this is our last one and it's the biggest one. All right, go. Yep. No, did he? No, I think that's the old one. All right, this is the last one we got and it's the biggest one, or it has the most shots.
Ooh.
makeup?
My mom uses
Camera.
it. No, what is it on?
Vlog?
It's-
Camera?
What is the camera on?
Tripod?
Tripod.
So it's a day. And
Lights.
It's a day in a month.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
No, it's
Sunday.
It's a day in the month. No, it's a day in a month. A certain month, and it's like
A holiday?
Leap.
It's a holiday?
Day.
but which one?
Oh, Christmas.
Easter.
It's like
Memorial
not
Day.
very popular.
Memorial Day.
Martin Luther King Day.
Something day.
Columbus Day.
No.
Valentine's Day.
Veterans
Labor Day.
Oh.
Oh, we're
You guys,
Okay,
by the way, we're playing Taboo.
You eat this when you're celebrating something. It has frosting on it.
Cupcake.
Cake.
She said it like 40 times.
Okay. When the Earth moves, it's like
Earthquake.
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh, I shouldn't have said Earth. Okay, this is something that you play, and it has
Piano.
little sections, and you have to put letters into them. And guessing by sentences, you put letters in it. People have it in a book.
Categories.
No, you have a book of it. Close, kind of. It's like in a book, and that you put letters in it.
Oh, cross the puzzle.
Yeah.